Shall we start, ma'am?
We can start, Madhivadana.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Simi, ma'am, you can start.
Yeah. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. A warm welcome to all for the Academic Awards ceremony. Let us start the day's program by invoking the blessings of Lord Almighty. I call upon Suparna of class 12 for the prayer song.
गौरी नंदन गजवदना गणेश वरदा मा पाहि गजमुख गणनादा गणेश वरदा मा पाहि गजानना 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 हे गजवदना गौरी नंदन गजवदन गणेश वरदा मा पाहि गजमुख गणनादा गणेश वरदा मा पाहि गजानना 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 हे गजवदना एकदन्ता गजानना हेरम्बा गजानना एकदन्ता गजानना हेरम्बा गजानना 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 हे गजवदना गौरी नंदन गजवदन गणेश वरदा मा पाहि गजमुख गणनादा गणेश वरदा मा पाहि गजानना 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 हे गजवदना गजानना हे गजवदना श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः.
Excellent, Subarna. Very divine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Suparna. There are no secrets to success. It is a result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Colin Powell. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. We are indeed very happy and proud to honor the academic achievers of academic year 2019-20, class 11. On this occasion, first and foremost, I would like to welcome our beloved principal, Mrs. Rukmini Sridharan, who leaves no stone unturned when it comes to encouraging and supporting our students. I extend a warm welcome to our beloved parents who have an equal share in all these accolades. I welcome my fellow teachers who are the backstage heroes in the life of a child. Finally, I extend a warm welcome to our beloved children who have always made us proud with their performances in various fields. I once again welcome you one and all. Thank you. Without any further delay, let us move on to the main purpose of this event, honoring the achievers. I request Ms. Jayashree and Ms. Madhivadana to announce the achievers.
So now we will have first the all-rounder award. all-rounder from class 11A, Shri Varshini VP and Janani Devi MRS. Nandini Saravanan from class 11A, Evangeline Arul Davids from 11A, Mridula K from 11A. Now, all-rounder from class 11B, Varun D from 11B, Ashrita Reddy, Arvinda Natrian from 11B, Shriya K, and Gaurav Kapoor. Congratulations, students.
Thank you, Madhyodhana. We now move on to the all-rounders from 11C and 11D. The all-rounders of 11C are Abhijit G, Mani Krishneshwar Shashidhar, Sai Meera R, Priyanka Kiran, and Aditi B. Narayan from 11C. The all-rounders from 11D, Suraj R.F., Udbhav Krishnamani, and Shelly Simon of 11D. Congratulations, children.
And now we are moving to the subject toppers. Subject topper for English from class 11A goes to Shri Varshini VP. From 11B, Varun D. From 11C, Sai Meera R. and Priyanka Kiran. From 11D, Udbhav Krishnamani. Now, subject topper for mathematics. From 11A, Shri Varshini VP. 11B, 11A, Janani Devi MRS for mathematics. 11B, Varun D. 11C, Sharanya A. Nityanand. Now, subject topper for physics subject. From 11A, Shri Varshini VP. 11B, Varun D. and 11C, Sharanya Nityanand. Congratulations, students.
We now move on to the subject toppers of chemistry. Subject topper in chemistry from 11A, Shri Varshini VP. From 11A again, Janani Devi. From 11B, Varun D. From 11C, Sharanya A. Nityanand. The subject topper for biology from 11A, Sri Varshini VP. Janani Devi from 11A. From 11B, biology topper Varun D. And also Ashrita Reddy from 11B, subject topper for biology. Computer science topper from 11C, Mani Krishneshwar S. Subject toppers from the commerce stream. Entrepreneurship, subject topper Ashrita Reddy. Accountancy, subject topper is Suraj. He's also the subject topper in business studies. Also a subject topper in economics.
Thank you, Jayashree ma'am and Mativadana. I request Principal ma'am to announce the super topper.
Yes, Simi?
Ma'am, please announce the name of the super topper, ma'am.
Move to the next slide, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are very, very happy to announce the super topper, Sri Varshini, who has got the super topper award for her performance across the level in all the subjects. Congratulations and God bless. Many more laurels to come to all of you. I think we all can give a thunderous round of applause to all the students who have won various awards. It is just a beginning. So you may have many more years of education, future education. So wish you and bless you to get many more accolades in your journey in future. And definitely yes, the upcoming board examination, we are having so many thoughts running in our mind, how it will be conducted, when it will be conducted, when question has been answered, how it is going to be conducted, whether there are going to be any changes. We are really clueless and uncertain. Nevertheless, let us be positive. Let us take all the efforts that we can. Let us take the guidance of the teachers. We are always available for you at any point of time. So please utilize the opportunity, take the help of teachers, and do your best. My very special thanks to my team of teachers who have been working relentlessly day and night. Lot of efforts, not so easy to conduct virtual sessions. I really thank them for the background work that they have done in making these achievements possible. And of course, my admin team for again helping me with all the needed things in terms of certificates and trophies and arranging them and arranging for these virtual sessions. So my thanks to everyone who has supported in making this event possible. God bless children, stay positive. We are hoping to conduct the candlelight ceremony also, so we will see as the cases are increasing now. So we are just thinking about it. So we will announce it as and at the appropriate time. But please stay positive, stay stress-free, surrender to the Almighty. That is the only thing which can save us now. And believe that we are all here with you to help you at any time. Thank you, everyone. God bless.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I request all the winners to please switch on their cameras for a photo.
You want everyone together or you want section wise?
Ma'am, I think we can have it, have everybody together. Madhivadana, you will be taking?
Yes, ma'am. I'll take the snapshot.
Okay, then please, all the winners, please switch on your camera.
Please switch on your cameras. Mani Krishneshwar, Suraj, Aravindan, please switch on the camera.
Very obedient SPL in school uniform. Also Udbhav. Good. I am
Even
happy and proud.
Sharanya, ma'am.
Gaurav also, I think.
Udbhav, please switch on the camera.
Abhijit is in Monday uniform. Yes, Abhijit? Good. Nice to see you all.
Madhivadana, I think all have switched on. Please let us know
Priyanka?
when it is done. Yeah,
Priyanka?
Priyanka is not.
What about teachers, Simi?
Ma'am.
You would like to have teachers also. Is it possible? That is why, no, in the other classes we did section wise with teachers. Madhi, what are you going to do? Section wise with teachers? That's a pride for the subject teacher and the class teacher, right? We can have 11 students with the teachers. Like that we can do, I think.
Okay, ma'am. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please, 11A winners along with the teachers who handle class 11A. Teachers, please switch on. Probably they might not have expected this instruction from the principal. They are not ready to switch on their cameras.
Ma'am, Gayatri
think-
has switched on.
Suja is not there. I think.
The only teacher
Geeta
who was
ma'am is
ready,
not there.
probably.
Yeah, so Suja has not joined, ma'am. She's in that training
ISO meeting.
session.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even Geeta ma'am is not there.
Hmm.
Okay, others? Others were there. Sumi, you
Biology.
can join. Madhivadana can join.
Yes, ma'am.
Madhivadana can join as a level guide. Come on. Suganya can represent English teacher. Suganya, please switch on. You can join, represent, and Jayashree, you can also switch on. Jayanti is not there, it's okay. Jayashree and Suganya. Yasumi. Okay, physics, chemistry, biology, math, English only nobody is represented. Okay, Madhi, take.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. They would not have expected sudden surprise from the principal, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, done, ma'am.
Yeah,
11B.
thank you. 11B. 11B teachers and students, winners. Renju, please switch on. You can be there.
Sukanya ma'am.
And what about Madhuram is also not there, right? Okay.
Okay, 11C, ma'am.
11C.
Okay, 11D.
Rekha, Padma.
Rekha ma'am is not there, ma'am. She has gone as external.
Okay, Padma.
Ma'am.
சிரிங்க 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 பரவாயில்ல பேச மாத்திரம் காமிச்சா போறோம் மதி சிச்சான்
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
it's okay, you can be there. Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Done.
okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, teachers. Thank you. Hearty congratulations to all the winners. Long way to go. I now call upon Ms. Jaya to propose the vote of thanks.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good afternoon, dear Principal Ma'am, parents, teachers, and my dear students. I feel honored and privileged to get the opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this special occasion. I congratulate all the students for getting the award for your wonderful performance in academics in class 11. My very special thanks to our dear Principal Ma'am for her support and guidance throughout the journey. I would also thank the parents for their continuous motivation towards their wards. Last but not the least, I would also thank all the teachers for their enormous contribution in the journey of the student success. Wish you all a great success for your future, dear students. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you to all the teachers, parents, and students for joining the event.
Thank you everyone, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, students, and thank you, ma'am.